Once again, we are practicing here about the present indefinite tense. Today, you have got a target 80 sentences about the present indefinite affirmative sentences. Let's get start, Rohit.
He goes to market, he writes a letter, he narrates a poem, he cuts a tree, he bites an apple, he walks to daily in the evening, he runs in the morning, he wakes up in the early in the morning, and he writes a letter, he likes her, he writes with his friend, he drives a car, he drinks a water, and he brushed the crackers in the Deepavali. He he brushed the dynamite for blast the building, and he goes to school daily, and he comes to school daily, and he he brings
Vegetable.
he brings a vegetable, he cuts a vegetable, he bends the tie, and he feeds the poor people, and he helps the poor people, and he always helps the uh, helpless peoples, and he goes to he goes Delhi, and he fights with his friends, and he he sets he sits on the table, and he puts up vegetable in the market, and he close the field, and he plucks the flowers, and he speaks confidently, and he comes here, and he likes her, and he catches the ball, and he brings the pen, and become he will become a DM, and thank he fights he finds the girl for marriage, and he go, he wears the opticals, he wears like new clothes, and all he speaks confidently, and he bites a apple, and he he bends the cow, and he burns the wood for making food, and he prepares the food, and he cuts the vegetable, he speaks confidently, and he goes to Delhi. So
That's about it.
yes, sir.
Complete. Yes, very nice.